Welcome back to my channel! Today we're gonna have a very big surprise. This is gonna be our first 5-minute challenge. We have a few things to show you first before this challenge, and at the end we're gonna make our very own free game. Yes, you heard me, a free game. This free game does not require you to have the internet, but you will need an app or a program what does spreadsheets. I'm going to open mine now. This is called Microsoft Excel. There's many different apps and programs like this, but this is the one I have on my PC. When you look at it, it just looks very boring. Like, come on guys, it's just a bunch of squares. My dad uses this for work. He loves it, and he uses this to type in numbers all day. But I'm only 7. I think that's quite boring. There's some other stuff what you could do. I'm gonna show you some templates. Do 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 do. Here's some templates what are free. You just click more, and wow, look at all those templates. These help you to make calendars, chore charts, or something to pay your bills, but that's quite boring. I already told you, I'm 7. I don't have any bills. Let's go back and get a blank worksheet. Do 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 do. Okay, let's get to it. The challenge is we have to make a game on this very boring Excel. And we only have 5 minutes. Do you think this game you can make? Why am I talking like Yoda? It's because very excited I am. I can't edit this video because I can't get this timer in yet because I'm not perfect at it. So I'm gonna use the Windows timer. You could go on your Windows button, type timer, and click enter. Wow, look at that, it's already on 5 minutes. Are you ready for the challenge? If so, press like and subscribe. Are you ready for the countdown? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Do 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 do. Only joking, I'm not gonna do this for the last 5 minutes. Maybe I'll use this time to practice putting in sound effects. may notice I had the timer on for 5 hours, not 5 minutes. But that's not what this is about. You could see I have plenty of time left. So here's some I done earlier. Now you and your friends could play tic-tac-toe at school or in home or at the office. And here's how you save it as a picture so you could print. Here we go. Thank you everybody for watching. Peace out from Project Kids PC. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe.